Today we are doing an unboxing. You can see it's my name Hariharanji, and this is our temporary address. So let's quickly open this up. Let's open it. That's all. Inside we have a cardboard sheet. So let's quickly open up. Okay. That's all. So let's quickly open this. Actually, I have ordered one piece of Government of India first issues in 1950s. I have ordered like 14 coins total in here. Wait a minute. You can see here. You can clearly see it's 1951 one piece. This is an UNC coin. So total we have 14 coins. These 10. You can see. (1951) one piece, Government of India. So that's all guys, that's all for today. If you like this video, hit the like button and share with your friends. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button.